I welcome you to my YouTube channel Bring Out English. In this video, as you can see, we will learn to write notice. I will teach you some techniques of writing it. Be sure these techniques will help you in writing any event-based notices. Further, I would like to tell you that you will be required to memorize some specific sentences of only 2 notices. These sentences then can be used for writing any new notices with little changes. The following topics will be discussed in this video. First, what is notice writing? When do we write any notice? Second, format of a notice will be taught. And the third, 3 examples of notice on the following event will be discussed. First, a trip to Puri. Second, a debate competition. And the third, blood donation camp. Let us first discuss what is notice writing. When do we write any notice? A notice is a piece of information which is meant to be spread among a larger group of people. It means that when you want any information to be told to many people, you write notice. The information may be about an upcoming event, competition, lost and found information, meetings, cultural program, and any important information need to be given to a larger number of people. A notice is displayed at a public place where people can see and read it easily. School notices are displayed on the school notice board. The language of a notice is formal, or you can say official language is used in a notice. Let us see an example and see how your notice should look like. First, let us read the question. Such question will be asked in your examination. You are head girl or head boy of your school. You are asked to write a notice informing the students regarding a trip to Puri which is to be organized by your school. First of all, the name of the school is written. After that, notice. In the left side of your notice, date is mentioned, and then in the center, heading of the notice is mentioned. The language, it is for the information to all the students of class 9 to 12 that the school is going to organize a trip to Puri. The details are as follows. Date and time of departure 20th December 2020, 11 p.m. Reporting time to school 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Mode of journey, bus. Cost per student 5,000 rupees. And who will be the guide teachers? Mr. D.K. Gautam, Mr. R.N. Singh, Mrs. Purnima Roy. Last date of registration 15th December 2020. The notice will end like this. All the interested students should consult Mr. D.K. Gautam for registration. For any other information, contact the undersigned. Undersigned means this. The signature of the head girl or head boy will be over here. Now let us discuss the format of a notice. The notice which you have just now seen is actually based on a certain format. And what was the format? Name of the organization or school is written at the top. Use capital letters. Second, just below the name of the school, the word notice is written in the center of the page. After that, the date of the notice is written at the top left side. The body of the notice contains details of the schedule and information. Use simple and grammatically correct sentences. Remember, these things should be followed in each and every notice which you will write. and at the end put the entire notice within a box. As you can see, a question has been given over here. Before giving the answer to this question, remember, notice comes into the category of formal or official writing. And you know that formal or official writings have certain format to follow. And the format I have already discussed. Moreover, a notice must be written by a competent authority. In school notices, the competent authority will be principal, head boy and head girl. Now see this example. The question is, you are head girl or head boy of your school. Your school is going to organize a debate competition in school. Write a notice informing the students of class 9 to 12 regarding this competition. First, as you can see, I have mentioned the name of the school at the top. Just below that, notice word has been mentioned. In the left side, date has been mentioned, and in the center, heading of the notice, that is debate competition. The notice reads, it is for the information to all the students of class 9 to 12 that the school is going to organize a debate competition. The details are as follows. Topic of the debate is written over here. The topic is internet is boon or bane. After that, it is mentioned how much time will be given to per students to speak on this topic. So per students will be given 5 minutes to speak. Second, I have mentioned that how many students will participate in the debate. So total number of participants will be 12. Venue means place of event, where the event will take place. It is a school auditorium where the event will take place. Now in every debate competition, judges should be there who will be judging your performance in the debate competition. So here I have mentioned the name of the judges, Mr. B.K. Singh, Mrs. Matilda Soren, Mr. Niranjan Rajak will be the judges of this debate competition. Now last date of registration is 16th December 2020. And in debate competition, certain prizes are also given. So here the first prize will be a cycle, second prize will be an English dictionary, and the third prize will be a geometry box. The notice will end like this. All the interested students should consult Mrs. Roshni Kido for registration. For any other information, contact the undersigned. Here one thing you must remember, that the notice will end with the signature, name and designation of the issuing authority. Here the issuing authority is head girl, whose name is XYZ. You can replace this XYZ with the name which will be mentioned in the question. If the name is not mentioned in the question, you will write XYZ. Here certain things you must remember. You can see that these notices are using some common sentences. These sentences are, it is for the information to all the students of class 9 to 12 that the school is going to organize a debate competition. So if you are writing notice for any other event, you will change debate competition and write the name of that event over here. If the notice is meant for class 9 only, then you will delete 12 and you will write only class 9 over here. And the information which is mentioned over here, you can change these informations according to the event on which you are writing this notice. Now suppose the question is that you should write a notice that a blood donation camp is going to organize. How we will use the same language with slight changes to write this notice. The question is that your school has decided to organize a blood donation camp. You have been asked by your principal to put up a notice informing the students regarding the camp. Also request the students to bring their parents also for blood donation. Now see, as you know, first of all, we write the name of the organization. Here the name of the school has been mentioned at the top. Below that, notice word has been mentioned. Then date in the left side of the notice, and the heading, that is blood donation camp, is mentioned in the center of the notice. Now you can see the first line, which is regularly written in every notice. It is for the information to all the students that the school is going to organize a blood donation camp. What have I done over here? I have changed the name of the topic only. In the previous notice, it was a debate competition, and here the heading has been changed to blood donation camp. And rest things are same. The details are as follows. Earlier also I have written this sentence. And information has been mentioned according to this event. Like if you are organizing a blood donation camp, date must be mentioned and time must be mentioned so that the people can reach at that time and on that date. So here date 25th December 2020 has been mentioned, and then time 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. has been mentioned. Now if you are organizing a blood donation camp, you cannot donate your blood to anybody in general. You need doctors, so that a proper procedure should be followed to take your blood. So here you must mention the name of the doctors who will be attending the blood donation camp. I have mentioned Dr. B.K. Gupta, Dr. Gunjan Singh, and Dr. G.N. Day. Now place must be mentioned where the blood donation camp is going to be organized. So here place has been mentioned, ABC High School campus. And the last line of this notice is that all the students will inform their parents as well as their neighbors and request them to visit school and participate in this pious work. Students can also donate their blood. Interested students should contact Mr. N. Rajak for registration. Now this blood donation camp is a social work, and such type of notices should end with a slogan. Here I have mentioned one slogan also, that is blood donation is a godly work. And as I have already told you that notice must be issued by a competent authority. Here the competent authority is head girl of the school. Name has also been mentioned. And as I have already told you that if the name is mentioned in the question, you will write that name only. And if name has not been mentioned in the question, you will simply write XYZ in place of the name. Let us see this notice. You will find that in this notice, the language is slightly different from the notices which I have already taught you. You can use the language of this notice for writing the notices which will be based on the event which generally take place in your school. The question is, computer education is necessary for students. The principal of your school strongly wishes that computer classes education should be made popular among the students. So the principal has asked you to put up a notice informing the students to join computer classes to be started in the school. Must remember the format. First of all, I have mentioned the name of the school at the top, that is ABC High School, Bokaro. After that, just below the name of the school, I have mentioned notice. In the left side of the notice, date is written, and in the center, heading is written, that is computer classes. The notice reads like this: it is for the information to all the students that the school is going to start computer classes with effect from 1st January 2021 at 8 am for an hour. Arrangement of 10 computers has been already made. Computer classes will be conducted under the guidance of an expert computer teacher. Interested students should deposit 500 rupees and get their names registered for the classes on or before 31st December 2020. For any further information, contact the undersigned. Name of the authority over here, XYZ, and she is a head girl. Dear students, with this I end this video. Keep watching this channel for your self-enlightenment. Thank you.